So, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discuss about basic geometrical ideas, exercise 4.2 of chapter 4, class 6. So, in this exercise, first we are going to see first question. Classify the following curves as open or closed. Okay, so here we are going to learn open curve and closed curve. Okay, so with few examples I will explain you how to differentiate between the open curve and closed curve. Okay, see here open is there, here open is there, so it is known as open curve. Okay, if the boundaries being closed everywhere, something like this. See here, this is closed everywhere. Is there any gap? No. So such kind of curves known as closed curve. And here almost it is covered, but here gap is there. No. So it is known as open curve. Okay, and something like this. See, everywhere it is closed. So these curves are known as closed curves. Okay, so now we are going to classify them. So in the answers, the first one, along with me you can guess the answers. The given curve is an open curve. B1, this is closed curve, and this one open curve, this one closed curve, this one closed curve. Okay, so here I will teach you one more thing. The curve with, see, this is line segment, no, the straight line. See, this closed curve with straight lines. So this is with straight lines, that not the line with line segments. This is the closed curve only with line segments. Remember this point. So this point we will make use in upcoming slides. Okay, see, this is open curve with line segments, and this is closed curve with line segments. Line segments, it will be straight. Okay, so remember that point. We are going to make use it. So next we have draw rough diagrams to illustrate the following. Open curve. Okay, so we are going to draw our own diagram in order to represent the open curve and closed curve. Okay, here is the curve we have. Okay, see, this one, it is open, right, everywhere. So it is open curve. Now closed curve. See, everywhere it is being closed. So it is closed curve. Draw any polygon and shade its interior. See, in previous slide I have told you what is like the curves, the open curve and the closed curve, it was having only line segments. So the curve which is having open or closed curve which is having only line segments, that is known as polygon. And triangle is a polygon. Okay, polygon must have at least 3 line segments. In order to form a polygon, at least it must have 3 line segments. Okay, so that is nothing but the triangle. So here draw any polygon and shade its interior, they have asked. So only line segments I am going to use, and I am going to construct the polygon here. See, this is one line segment. This is one line segment. This is one line segment here, here. Okay. So this polygon, it is having only line segments and I have shaded with color. Okay. So we need to shade it. So I have shaded with different color. Okay. So this is what the polygon. Polygon, it will be having 3 and more sides. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is pentagon. Okay. So as of now, if they ask you any polygon, you can construct polygon with only closed curves and you can shade it. Okay. So you can draw one triangle and shade. You can draw one square and shade. Okay. That is called polygon. Polygon, it will be having only the line segments. Okay. So next, consider the given figure and answer the questions. So here we are going to analyze the figure and we are going to answer the given questions. Here is the diagram. Okay, it is looking like a star. First we will see, so everywhere it is closed. Okay, and everywhere they have used only the line segments. Okay, now we have observed the given figure. So based on this, we are going to answer the questions. Is it a curve? Yes. Yes, it is a curve. It is a closed curve. Is it a curve? Yes, it is a curve. Of course. And is it closed? See, is there any opens? No. See, everywhere it got closed, you know. So we say, yes, it is closed. Okay. Next question we see. Illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. So here they are going to ask a question. According to that, we have to write the rough diagram. A closed curve, that is not a polygon. A closed curve, that is not a polygon. Polygon, it will be having all the sides line segments. Okay, here we are going to see a curve. So which is not polygon, which means that it must not be with all sides line segments. Okay. This is how. See, here and here I have line segments, but here I don't have the line segments here. Curves I have. Okay, so it is a closed curve and it is not a polygon. An open curve made up entirely of line segments. Okay. This is how. See, only line segments are there, but it is opened one. So we say it is open curve made up entirely of line segments. Okay. A polygon with two sides. See, in very first slide I have told there is no polygon with two sides. At least minimum 3 sides must be there. So that will represent a triangle. That is the which means that polygon will be having at least 3 line segments. But with 2 sides we cannot have a polygon. So same thing we need to answer. No, it's not possible because polygon must have at least 3 sides. Okay. Hope you have understood the video. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me, and you can like, share and subscribe this video, Math Mantra by Tippanagari Radha. Okay, so that you can watch the further videos. Thank you.